Welcome to the Pixie cut variations from MHDPro. This collection teaches you how to create a variety of pixie hairstyles of varying lengths to help you expand the repertoire of looks you can offer to your stylish, shorter-haired clientele. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Michael Cohen demonstrates a longer pixie look with a round textured layer haircut that maximizes movement and versatility. Lee Stafford continues in Lesson 2 with the Agnes pixie cut, inspired by the supermodel Agnes Dean. This is a timeless and versatile look that can be adjusted in length to suit your client's individual looks. Lesson 3's pixie look is brought to you by Bastian Casaretto. His short, round graduation variation haircut allows more movement in the top area with a steeper crown for added versatility. In Lesson 4, Stacey Broughton demonstrates a short, squared, layered pixie haircut that teaches you the placement of square layers and definition of the corners for client suitability. And finally, in Lesson 5, you are back with Stacey to learn a classic pixie cut reminiscent of Audrey Hepburn. His short, round, uniform layer with conical crown teaches you precise cutting techniques that result in a fitted, elegant, soft crop look that enhances the head shape. Use our see, do, stop, check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Pixie Cut Variations collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Pixie Cut Variations collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHD Pro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.